There's one thing I've learned about entrepreneurship. It's a calling. Sometimes it takes long to awaken it. Well, it took me 18 years. But I came to realize there's no in between. Either you have it or you don't. Because of that, no entrepreneurs set themselves up to fail. No entrepreneurs believe they can't do it. But it happens more often than you think. Why? Because the biggest risk entrepreneurs face is themselves. It's what I call becoming the bottleneck in your business. And there's 100% chance you will be the bottleneck in your business multiple times. It happens when you know something's wrong. Perhaps you've seen some signs or people have warned you, but somehow you don't act. Call it ego, fear, or lack of accountability, it doesn't matter. Because of your inaction, the company stalls. The consequences can be devastating. The bigger the company, the bigger the impact. You must understand there are many ways you can be a bottleneck. In the journey of entrepreneurship, there are 5 key phases where bottlenecks commonly arise. Phase 1 is what I call the pre-launch or wandering phase. This is the exploratory stage where you're figuring out your business idea and identifying opportunities. The most common entrepreneur bottleneck is about overthinking and asking yourself too many questions and as a result lacking complete clarity. This could involve uncertainty about your goals, business ideas, or the direction you want to take. Phase 2, the start or the do-it-yourself hustle, because you basically have to do everything yourself. You're dealing with the challenges of building a brand, acquiring customers, and establishing your presence in the market. There are many bottlenecks at that stage. The most typical one I know is to strive for perfection instead of accepting good enough. Phase 3, the growth. You find customers, you hire people, your venture becomes bigger. You must start balancing control and delegation because you need others to build something that goes beyond yourself. That's the most difficult part, and here lies your entrepreneur bottleneck. Everything is tied around yourself. You don't delegate and end up controlling every aspect of your business. Phase 4, the maturity. Building an organization that gets things done. Now your company has acquired a great reputation. You have experienced some great successes. You are making money. Your personal wealth is significant. Your entrepreneur bottleneck, becoming complacent and resistant to change. You don't want to jeopardize a situation, but you will miss big opportunities that can kill your business. Think Kodak. And phase 5, the exit, passing the baton. You're selling the business, it's time to do something else. I've actually lived the entrepreneur bottleneck at that stage with a client. Being too much involved in the exit process, growing your impatience and frustration. I tell you again, 100% of entrepreneurs will become the bottleneck in their business several times in their journey, regardless of their industry and experience. And the result is always the same. You're stuck and your business stalls. Having said that, the good news is tackling your bottleneck is actually easy. However, it requires self-awareness. You won't be able to get out of the situation if you first don't acknowledge you being the bottleneck. And that's the trickiest part because of your ego, fear, or lack of accountability. You see, success in entrepreneurship means growing through the different stages I mentioned, each facing you with bottlenecks and demanding a shift in your mindset every time. So, if you want to tackle your bottlenecks, 2 things must happen. 1, you must work on your mindset and develop your self-awareness. And 2, you must design a plan of action to address such bottlenecks. Remember, it always starts with you. I can assist you in that journey. Log on my website and take the Bottleneck Index. It's a practical tool that will help you identify your hidden bottlenecks, assess their potential impact on your business, and provide you with concrete tips to overcome them. It's free, it takes 2 minutes to do, and results are immediate. You'll find the link below in the video description. Do not underestimate the real impact of few bottlenecks on your business. My name's Laurent Notin. I'm the Bottleneck Coach. I empower entrepreneurs to thrive.